What's cooking, guys, and welcome to my channel. I am so excited for today's video, guys. We have our very first brand collaboration. As you can see in the back, it's Boxed Halal. They are an online business selling 100% halal meats. They have everything from juicy Angus beef burgers to chicken, Polish sausages, and so much more. And they were also kind enough to give me a coupon code so you guys could save some coins. I'm going to be using their Angus beef patties to make these juicy burgers with melted cheese on it and some sauteed spicy garlicky mushrooms. So stay tuned for the unboxing of the items they sent me, and also stay tuned for the recipe. Do consider subscribing if you're new here and you'd like to join the foodie family, and also hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I upload a new video, which is once a week. And now let's get cooking. Let's start by unboxing the meats that Boxed Halal sent me. So first thing I see is a thank you card with their info on it and also their social media handles, which come in very handy. As you can see, it's so well packaged with a styrofoam surround to keep the meats you ordered frozen during shipping. And let's open the plastic bag that has the items that I ordered from them. And the first item they sent to me was this pack of chicken breast. It already looks clean and well packaged. Then we have these hickory smoked beef breakfast slices, basically beef bacon, which I will use for breakfast one of these days with some eggs. And then the product that I'll be using today for the burgers. These are 100% pure beef Angus burgers. This is a pack of 8, which can easily feed a big or small family, depending on how many you are making. And now let me tell you more about Boxed Halal, the brand. They are a Chicago, Illinois, US-based family-owned business selling quality halal meats online. They are truly one of a kind. It can be so hard to find halal meats in local supermarkets here, wherever you are located, but they make it so easy because they ship all across the United States. They are also HFSAA certified, which is the Halal Food Standards Alliance of America. They sell products like Wagyu beef, Angus beef, chicken, Polish sausages, lamb, seafood, and so much more. And they were kind enough to give me a coupon code for you guys to save some coins. The coupon code is FARIAL10, which will give you $10 off your next purchase of $75 or more. You can also check the description box for more information on Boxed Halal and for the coupon code. And now let's move on to the recipe part of this video. I'm going to start by heating up a saute pan on medium-high heat. And once the pan is hot, I'm going to add some olive oil to it, about a teaspoon or so. To the oil, I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of butter. Anytime you cook with butter, you should add a little oil so the butter doesn't burn. And just let the butter melt in the hot pan. And then I'm going to add some chopped garlic, and this is about 3 to 4 cloves. I also have about half a teaspoon of red chili flakes to add a little kick. And then you want to mix all of this up so the garlic and chili flakes can flavor the butter and the oil. Just make sure not to burn the garlic. We only want it to cook slightly, not to get it browned. Then I'm going to add 2 cups of sliced mushrooms that I've already cleaned, or 1 package of mushrooms that you find in the supermarket. You can use any kind of mushrooms you want. And then just mix this all up. The mushrooms will absorb all that butter and oil, but they will release it back out once they cook down. And then I'm going to add some salt to my taste, about half to 1 teaspoon. And some black pepper that I will freshly grind. I really like the flavor of freshly ground black pepper in here. It really does make all the difference. And this is also to taste. Then mix everything up, letting the mushrooms cook down a little bit. The salt will help to release the mushrooms' natural liquids. Keep cooking the mushrooms till their own liquid sort of evaporates and they start to caramelize, and this does not take long. This is pretty much how they should look. Don't overcook them or else they'll shrink to nothing. I'm going to turn off the stove now and let's move on to making the burgers. First, let me show you how the burgers are packaged. They come in this nice box with the nutrition labels and everything. And when I open the box, they are packaged in plastic for further protection. And you can see they are already formed into patties, making it so easy to just take it out of the box and the freezer and cook them to your liking. I'm just going to cook them in the same pan I used to make the mushrooms in. So heat it up again on medium-high, and once the pan is hot, you want to place the patties in there. And you can make these straight from the freezer, you don't even have to thaw them out. As my patties cooked, I went ahead and made my own seasoning salt using some garlic and onion powders, some black pepper and salt, of course, to my taste. I will leave the amounts in the description box below. And I'm just sprinkling the seasoning on top of the patties since the patties were already formed. And I'm going to cover them so they can cook on the inside too from the steam rising. Now I'm going to be cooking these to well done, but if you want them medium well, you want to cook these for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side and then turn them over. But I cook them for about 5 minutes on each side. Well done is just my preference. And I'm going to season the other side as well so it can also get a chance to get some flavor. And I'm going to cover this again for a few. These burgers smell so good as they cooked, guys. The Angus beef smell was just divine, and I could tell they were made of very high quality ingredients. I'm flipping them over again and letting them get a nice caramelized golden brown color. And once the patties look well done to me, I'm going to put some Swiss cheese slices on top, but you can use any type of cheese that you want. And then I'm going to cover it again for like 15 seconds, allowing the cheese to melt properly. And now let's check on these burger patties and look at that, guys. The burgers are nicely cooked to perfection, and that cheese on top just looks delectable. So let's assemble my burgers now. I have some lightly toasted brioche buns here. You can use regular buns if you like as well. And I'm going to be spreading a little mayo on these just to grease the buns a little. You can also use ketchup if you like, or some hot sauce, whatever type of sauce that you want. And then I'm going to put the burger patty with melted cheese on top on the bottom half of the bun ever so gently. And then top it with the spicy garlic butter mushrooms on top. You can put however much you want. And I love mushrooms, so I added just enough for myself. And then put the top half of the bun to close it. I also have this toothpick for presentation purposes. And that's all I'll be doing to this burger, but you can add other toppings of your choice if you like, guys. For me, this is good because I really want the flavors of the Angus beef to shine here. And I'm also showing an option with 2 patties in one burger if you want to double up on the patties. So really versatile and perfectly sized beef patties, but also 100% halal. And let me know what you guys thought of today's video, and if you'll be ordering from Boxed Halal to make these burgers for yourself. They make life so easy and also give peace of mind while still indulging in your favorite foods. Don't forget to check out my coupon code in the description box below. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed my very first brand collab video and these juicy Angus beef burgers with the melted Swiss cheese and the sauteed garlicky spicy mushrooms. Thank you guys for always supporting my channel, helping me reach 10,000 subscribers and allowing me to have opportunities like this to work with really great brands like Boxed Halal. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll be seeing you in the next one, guys. Until then, take care of yourselves.